Hey there, Matrix Artist Andrew Walder here. When it comes to permanent hair color, there can be so much to choose from, and deciding which shades are right for our client can be at times challenging. Today, I want to break down the #1 pre-bonded permanent salon hair color in the US, SoColor. We'll keep it uncomplicated so you know exactly which shades to choose for every client. Let's get into it. Each shade within SoColor Pre-bonded is formulated with Matrix's exclusive bond-protecting concentrate, which protects the inner hair structure so you can maintain the integrity of the hair from color service to color service. SoColor is also what we like to call pre-blended. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means our formulas are pre-blended with the perfect amount of background plus reflect, so you can neutralize or enhance every underlying pigment on all levels. Our formulas are also pre-paired. What that means is our permanent and our demi-permanent oxidative dyes are perfectly matched between SoColor and Super Sync Pre-bonded. This allows you to achieve seamless root-to-tip color that lasts and fades on tone. In addition to our pre-bonded, pre-blended, and pre-paired formulas, SoColor Pre-bonded features 4 key technologies that are each formulated to provide a specific result. With these 4 technologies, you can use SoColor Pre-bonded to create a variety of looks, to include gray coverage on high percentage of gray, to high-lift blondes, and everything in between. The 4 SoColor Pre-bonded technologies include the Blended Collection, the Reflect Collection, the Extra Coverage Collection, and the Ultra Lift Collection. Let's start by going over the SoColor Blended Collection, which comes in a pink box. The SoColor Blended Collection is pre-blended with a brown to tan background and a variety of reflects. This would be your collection of choice when you're working with clients that have 50% or less gray because it lifts up to 4 levels and features a diverse collection of shades ranging from natural to fashion tones. To use the blended collection, mix your desired shade in a 1-to-1 ratio with either 10, 20, 30, or 40 volume Matrix Cream Developer and process for 30 to 45 minutes depending on your desired result. For best results, Matrix always recommends processing for the full 45 minutes when you're lifting more than 1 level or when gray coverage is desired. The next technology I'd like to talk with you about is the SoColor Pre-bonded Reflect Collection in the yellow box. This collection is formulated to provide fashion tones on clients with 50% or less gray hair. It lifts up to 4 levels and contains little to no brown to tan background, allowing the beautiful fashion tones to shine through. Also included with the SoColor Reflect Collection are the HD and So Red series. These shade families both have no background and pure reflect red results. Shades within the Reflect Collection can be used on their own, or they can be mixed with shades from the Blended Collection to help enhance or add vibrancy to your formula. For predictable results, we never recommend mixing the shades from the HD series with any other SoColor shade. For more on these specialty shades, be sure to check out my video on SoColor Special Technologies. Always mix SoColor Reflect shades in a 1-to-1 ratio with 10, 20, 30, or 40 volume Matrix Cream Developer and process for 30 to 45 minutes. Just like with the Blended Collection, for best results, we recommend always processing for the full 45 minutes when lifting more than 1 level or when covering gray. The third technology we'll go over today is the SoColor Pre-bonded Extra Coverage Collection in the purple box. This collection of high coverage shades was specifically designed to be used on clients with 50% or more gray. A perfect choice for clients with stubborn or resistant gray, which means that it will be your best friend behind the chair when you're looking for 100% gray coverage. When using SoColor Pre-bonded extra coverage, always mix your desired shade in a 1:1 ratio with 20 volume Matrix Cream Developer. And for resistant grays, process for a full 45 minutes. Finally, we have the SoColor Pre-bonded Ultra Lift collection in the blue box. This is our high lift and deposit permanent hair color range that lifts up to 5 levels on natural virgin hair from level 6 and above. The Ultra Lift collection is always mixed in a 1:2 ratio with either 30 or 40 Matrix Cream Developer. Use 30 volume when maximum neutralization is desired and 40 volume for maximum lift. Well, there you have it. I hope this video has helped you understand SoColor Pre-bonded, the #1 pre-bonded permanent salon hair color in the US. Be sure to tag us at Matrix on Instagram so we can see all your beautiful work you create using these shades. And let us know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up with all the latest from Matrix. Thanks for learning with me. Bye!